Lime water, a simple yet powerful concoction made by infusing fresh lime juice into water, has garnered attention for its potential health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, this refreshing beverage serves as a natural antioxidant, helping to combat free radicals in the body and bolster the immune system. The citric acid found in limes can aid in digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices, offering relief from bloating and heartburn. Additionally, lime water can promote hydration, making it an excellent alternative to sugary drinks, thus supporting weight management and overall health. Beyond its digestive benefits, lime water is known for its ability to improve skin health. The vitamin C content profoundly influences collagen production, leading to more youthful and vibrant skin. Drinking lime water regularly may help reduce blemishes and pigmentation, while its hydrating properties can contribute to a radiant complexion. Furthermore, the detoxifying abilities of lime water can enhance liver function, making it a valuable ally in flushing out toxins from the body. Incorporating lime water into your daily routine is simple and rewarding. By starting your day with a glass of lime-infused water, you can kickstart your metabolism and set a positive tone for healthy choices throughout the day. Additionally, lime water can be a delightful addition to various recipes, from salad dressings to marinades, providing a zesty flavor that enhances both taste and nutritional value. With its plethora of health benefits, lime water is an accessible and effective way to unlock the hidden powers of this vibrant fruit, ultimately leading to optimal health and well-being. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel if you thought this was helpful.